I hope I just like the pop play. Play is really cute. Play could be boyfriend potential.
First and starter contest. We made our own signature commercial, which you can see in the office near Newport Harbor, along with our rocking music video. Tune in to the premiere of Newport Harbor, Wednesday at 10:30.
All these years, you've gone through the day without email like this in your pocket, or stock updates like this in your pocket, or internet like this in your pocket. And you survive. The question is, how?
Each year in the U.S., thousands of women learn to have cervical cancer. I could be one less. One less statistic. One less. Because now there's Gardasil, the only vaccine that may help protect you from 4 types of human papillomavirus that may cause 70% of cervical cancer. I want to be one less woman who will battle cervical cancer. One less. Like all vaccines, Gardasil may not fully protect everyone. The side effects include pain, swelling, itching and redness at the injection site, fever, nausea, or dizziness. Gardasil is not for women who are pregnant. Gardasil does not prevent all types of cervical cancer, so it is important to continue with routine cervical cancer screening. Gardasil will not treat cervical cancer. At your next doctor's appointment, ask about getting vaccinated with the only cervical cancer vaccine. Gardasil. 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 With Gardasil, you could be one less. I wanna be one less, one less.
Every generation has one iconic movie that is talked about